Hey beautiful, I'm back, Elle Wilson here, and I have the after photo for you. And I know it was a little cheeky and you had to wait, but wasn't it a bit of fun? So what we're looking at now is the after photo of Angela Mee's incredible transformation. Now, on this after photo, there's also brow powder. You can see it. Yep, you can see here that this brow is still repairing. Yeah, and this probably took a few months to get it level. I mean, the one thing that I want you to focus on more than anything really here is that this brow is now, you remember how unlevel it was, you can go back and watch it again, is now level. You're looking at a girl that will put her sunglasses on and it's not going to look like that. Her brows are going to look level. You can also see that even though this is, brows are, what do they say about brows? Brows are not twins, they're not, at least they're not identical twins, are they? They can be sisters. So in this case, you can see that she's almost the same. She's almost level. And what I want you to really pay attention to is there's hair here. There's actual natural hair that is here. This is not made up. This is not using a serum. This is her hair. And this is through, really knowing how to repair a brow all along here. Even though we've used some powder to pop this brow, you can see here there's all hair, because we're still in repair. We're still repairing, something that was just totally off the charts. And we're working with it to make it glorious. And you can see here that all this hair is real. This is what we're talking about. We're talking about working with the client's natural brow and working with it to level it. So did this young girl need to have her brow shaved off like some beauty professionals suggested and tattooed on? No, she didn't. And even though it took a few months, she's now got her timeless brow back. And at this stage, as I just mentioned, she doesn't have to, but if she wants to really pop the screen right brow, she can put a little bit of powder on. But because the shape is so perfect, it would take her like 2 seconds in the morning. That's the beauty of it. And so there you have it. This is the after of this brow that we saw yesterday. Go back and take a look. This is the glorious work of Angela Mee, our TrueBrow artist, and it takes something to be a TrueBrow artist. You'll have a look and see her in captions. We've got more information about her there. But really start to understand that to be able to achieve this kind of work, Angela had put this brow up for her brow coaches, because we're brow coaches. That's what we do. We work with the brows that are in your salon. If you're a beauty professional, you've got to know that. We help you with those brows. We're not interested in the brows that you do in a 1, 2, 3, 4 day class. They're fine, they're good, you're going to get those done, but what we really care about is the work that's walking out your front door. And as clients, that's what you need to be most interested in, is how your brows look when you walk out the door. And you want to feel natural, you want to feel beautiful, and you can see that this is an amazing, amazing result from really, really unlevel and really wonky to absolute beauty. Thanks for being with me. I love that I get to share all this with you. Take care, and we'll be back with more shortly. Bye for now.